going on, guys? So I'm gonna do a quick video for people with the JKS quick and disconnects, or anybody with quick disconnects with these lynch pins. So I watch a lot of YouTube videos, and a lot of people are not even sure what they're called, these pins here. A lot of sway bar disconnects use these pins, and I see in videos people just, oh, the pin, I'm not sure what it's called. It's called a lynch pin. As you can see, I have them. I've broken a few. My brother has them on his Jeep. He's broken a few, and I'm gonna show you guys how to replace them, and they're pretty cheap. So let me go into the Jeep. Home Depot, that's your answer for replacements. And as you can see, I just picked up 10 of them at Home Depot. So these are them. Let me get closer. It's made by Everbuilt, and that's your size. 3/16 by 1.5 inch lynch pin, and there's your part number. Is 604208. That package looks like it's messed up. Hold on. 308. So your part number is 604308. Everbuilt lynch pin, yellow zinc, and these are them. So last week we were out of AOAA. I broke one, my brother broke one. They also bend. I mean, they don't break easy, but they break. So people don't have to go nuts. Actually, here's my receipt. Home Depot lynch pin, 3/16 by 1.5. And as you can see, I paid $18.84 for 10. So I figure hopefully this video helps somebody. If they break one, they don't have to go online and try to order them or pay for shipping. Your local Home Depot. So, and that's it. That's the pin, the lynch pin. Oh, I gotta fix my cap. My Zerk fitting cap is falling off. I'll fix that after the video. But hopefully this video helps somebody that has these any kind of quick disconnect sway bar links. Alright, let me show you guys one more time. And this is it. There's one per package. Home Depot, they're in the aisle with the cotter pins. So, alright. There's your part number one more time. 604308. 3/16 by 1.5 inch. So, alright guys, I hope this video helps somebody that needs to replace these pins that don't go too crazy looking for them. So, alright, enjoy the rest of your weekend. Hit that subscribe button. Next video coming out will probably be a couple of days on my brother's Jeep. Just ordered some Smitty built fenders. Stay tuned for that that in-store video. They should be delivered in like 2 days. I think today's Saturday. I think they're scheduled delivery for Monday. So keep your eyes out for that video. Alright guys, take care.